Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Form. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. First, you need to search in Google forms.google.com. Okay, and click on enter. And here you find different templates. But for this tutorial, I'm going to click on blank. And here you need to give a title. So I'm going to give a title survey. And here you need to enter description, so I'm going to put my channel name to show you an example. And here you are going to click on the first question, and so I'm going to add right email here. And here you need to click on how you need the answer, so I'm going to click on short answer, and then you need to click on required. And if you want to add second question, click on add question. So here, do you subscribe? And multiple choice, option 1 yes, and second option no, and click on required. So you can see that our little form is created. And if you want to see how your form look, click on this eye icon. So this is the way your form looks. So by following these steps, you can easily create form on Google. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.